How do you convert something so everyday, so mundane a toy, into something so cool like this? Hello everybody, my name is Mitesh Sanghani. I work for Orchid Digitals, where we provide the very best in digital printing and signage services. But every now and then, we come across something which is beyond what we do on a regular basis. This is a story about a friend of mine who asked me to print a photo on a jigsaw puzzle. So here's what we did. All of us know that this jigsaw puzzle, it's available readily in the market. Okay? What we did is we took a jigsaw puzzle template from the internet. We used our laser machine to cut the jigsaw puzzle into its component parts, into these small pieces. We placed the jigsaw puzzle in a flatbed UV printer. So we have this UV printer which can print directly on objects. So you place anything in that object and it directly prints on top of it. And this is what resulted, a unique gift idea, wherein I took an image of a family, that's my family by the way, I took the image of a family and I converted it into a custom or a personalized puzzle. Here you go. Something so nice to gift to all of your friends and loved ones. Now if you like the idea, please, I would love to hear from you. Tell me what you think about this jigsaw puzzle printing in the comments section below. And as always, please hit the subscribe button. It will keep you posted about all the various videos that we post on printing and on educational and interesting projects like this.